Welcome to part 6 of Mama Fratelli's ORV Jeep build. This episode is really exciting because for the first time we'll drive Ann across town on her first big trip to the body shop. We got the new floorboard down and we have it all puttied up and everything and sealed. I just got through setting the seat back. We are welding in some studs right here from the bottom side so that when we're ready, after we get carpet in here, we can take the seat and bolt it down. We've got 2 studs welded in there. These are the old ones back there, so that's all done. So now we can continue, we can do this to the bottom side and then spray the bottom side and treat it. And then also I'm going to probably do it in sections to spray this as we get done. But I couldn't spray it yet because the weld is hot and it would have burnt things. I am in the process of putting the tail lights on. I didn't want to do this, but I'm doing it anyway. The restoration shop is not that far from us and I want to take the back roads down there just because, who knows, I haven't really road tested her at all. We know that she needs a transmission, and usually when a vehicle sits it can develop coolant leaks, so I don't even think that I've had her warm enough to see if the cooling system is fully working. Thermostat opening. I was going to have Angie follow me like really closely because I wasn't going to have any lights on it, but I've gone through all the trouble of getting the temporary license, getting it insured, so I want to do the last thing, and it would just suck to get pulled over for not having any lights on it. Didn't want to take the brand new lights out of the box and put them on until I was ready for them, but I also don't want a ticket, so we're putting the lights on, and I'm getting at least the brake lights working. I'll use my hand signal for the turn signals. You know, put your hand out the window. Hope people see it. I think one of the most convenient tools that I've ever used or purchased is this thing. It's a prop rod to keep your hood up. It's telescoping, but you can use it for brake lights or brake pedals and all sorts of stuff. Alrighty, we got brake lights. Oh, there's no spot for my license, or, well, I guess I could put my phone there. That works. I'm more nervous that I'm leading on right now.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, it's Ann, and she hasn't been tested.
We really haven't had a completely successful test of this equipment.
I blame myself.
So do I.
I know that they're going to quote me some astronomical number that is going to be like a year's salary, and I am not joking when I say that. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right. Here we go. I think she's gassed up. Keys in the ignition, clutch down. Starts right up. I'd say buckle up for safety, but seatbelt's on. Doesn't work too well. Reverse. All right. Oh, she's loud. Not even out of the neighborhood yet. Already I smell funny smells. The transmission noise is due to internal damage. If the problem were to be a throwout bearing, the noise would be present with your foot on the clutch. This noise is present only when the clutch is not depressed. The transmission is in line for replacement after the roof repair is complete. Wow, 3rd gear is really noisy. 4th gear is quiet. She stalled right outside of the place. Please consider joining our Patreon. This is the only way this project will get finished in time for the 40th anniversary, Goonies Day, June 7th, 2025 in Astoria, Oregon. Perks include early access to the videos, a monthly progress photo of Ann, a video shout out, and a piece of Ann or a custom Mama Fratelli saltine cracker keychain. Wow. All right, I guess I'm pushing her. That's embarrassing. All right, well, hopefully she'll restart for the trip back. So embarrassing. All right, so Angie's at the ready. We've already talked about all the specifics, and we have the price, and I'm choking, although I kind of knew it from before. But like I said, it died. So I'm gonna try and start it. If it starts, then we're out of here. If she does not start, and then I'm gonna push it here and let her sit for a little while. There's nothing.
2 hours later.
All right, got her started. We're out of here. Oh, so nerve-wracking. Well, she does have runnability problems, so that's sad. But she runs. She's misfiring now. It's getting worse. It smells like she's running rich. Carburetor problem, maybe.
We'll diagnose the runnability issue in the next episode, but until then, what do you think the problem is? Post it down in the comments and let's see if you're right.
Woohoo, look at this, she made it home. That's awesome. I am so happy. There we go. She made it home, and I have something I want to check.
This is a brand new catalytic converter. The rainbow coloration on it is not good. Here's a clue as to what the problem is. The cat is too hot.
I did make it.
She stinks.
Yeah, what did it smell like? Rotten eggs?
Burning.
Burning? Yeah. Catalytic converter's a little hot. Whew, so that was an ordeal. But she made it.
Wow.
Angie is not impressed.
I am impressed.
Oh, you're impressed?
She made it
Oh,
there and then back home.
yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Please share us with all of your Goonies friends. Check us out on Patreon, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and our daily vlogging channel, Beyond 1031. We'll see you in the next episode because why? Because...
Goonies never say die!